How to restrict someone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to restrict. Say, for example, this one right here. And once you're there, you need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And from the given menu list, you need to click on the restrict option. And that's it. The person has been restricted. And they will give you a pop-up window that tells you what will happen now since you restricted this person. And that's it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can restrict on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.